Putting your book into the world can be a vulnerable thing. You're sharing your ideas, your stories, your heart with the world. People will read it, judge it, and most scary of all, review it online for everyone to see. That's where the idea of a pen name comes in. A French term for a fake name, a nom de plume, is when you publish your book under a name that's not your own. It's a long-standing literary tradition. George Eliot, Mark Twain, George Orwell, none of them were their real names. Many authors chose to use a different name for many personal and professional reasons. So should you do the same? Let's find out. A pen name offers you privacy and it separates your personal and professional life. Especially if you're writing personal stories, this privacy can be useful. If you have academic work already published online, a pen name can separate your creative work from the rest of your work so that it's easier to search for. It also helps separate genres. Some authors have different names for different types of writing. If you have a real name that's tricky to pronounce and remember, then using a pen name can make it easier for readers to find you. If your name is very common or already belongs to another published author, a pen name can help you stand out. Maybe you're writing horror and you want something dramatic, or you're writing a romance novel and you want something soft and whimsical. A pen name can also help you shape the tone of your brand. If you're switching genres or you're moving on from a past project, a pen name can act as a fresh start. And finally, there doesn't have to be a deep reason. If you feel like using a pen name, that's reason enough. There could also be many reasons for keeping your real name. After all, it's your name, and seeing it on a book cover can be deeply meaningful to you. Maybe your name represents your culture, your journey, or your chosen identity. If you've already built some recognition, you might want to keep the momentum going by using the same name. In the end, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's all about what you want and how you want to be remembered. Whether you use a pen name or your real name, what ultimately matters is your writing itself. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!